Savoring wine is the final and most personal step in the 5 Ss of wine tasting. It's the moment where everything, sight, aroma, taste, comes together, and you reflect on the experience the wine offers. Savoring isn't just about the wine itself. It's about how it resonates with you, how it lingers, and how it connects to the moment you're in. When you savor a wine, you're focusing on the finish, also called the aftertaste. This is what remains on your palate after you've swallowed or spit the wine. A wine's finish can be short and fleeting, leaving just a hint of flavor, or it can be long and complex, evolving over time. A long finish is often a hallmark of quality, as it indicates the wine's flavors and structure are well balanced and harmonious. To begin savoring, take a final sip of the wine and let it linger in your mouth before swallowing or spitting. Pay attention to how the flavors evolve. Do they intensify, or do they fade quickly? Notice if any new flavors appear. Sometimes, subtle notes like herbs, spices, or minerals reveal themselves in the finish, providing a deeper layer to the wine story. Is the finish refreshing, with bright acidity, or does it leave a warming sensation from alcohol? Reflecting on these details helps you appreciate the wine's craftsmanship. Savoring is also about reflection. Ask yourself, did this wine meet your expectations? How did it make you feel? Was it bold and exciting or soft and comforting? Comparing how a wine's initial taste transitions into its finish can tell you a lot about its character. A wine that starts with vibrant fruit flavors but ends with a dry, tannic grip might pair perfectly with a hearty meal, while a wine with a smooth, lingering finish might be better suited for quiet moments of relaxation. Take this opportunity to connect with the moment. Wine tasting isn't just about analysis, it's about enjoyment. Savoring allows you to slow down and fully appreciate the wine in your glass. Consider the context. Are you sharing this wine with friends, enjoying it with a meal, or exploring it alone on a quiet evening? The experience of savoring a wine is as much about the moment as it is about the wine itself. A practical exercise to enhance your savoring skills is to compare two wines with different finishes. For instance, choose a crisp Sauvignon Blanc with a short, refreshing finish and a rich Syrah with a long, velvety one. Taste each wine and focus on how the flavors linger, or don't, after the sip. Which finish do you prefer? Does one wine make you want to take another sip more than the other? This exercise will help you develop an appreciation for how finishes vary and how they can influence your overall enjoyment of a wine. Savoring is also about creating memories. A wine might remind you of a special occasion, a person, or even a place. Perhaps its aromas bring back memories of a summer garden, or its flavors transport you to a cozy evening by the fire. Wine has a unique way of connecting us to emotions and experiences, making savoring a deeply personal and enriching step. As we conclude this exploration of the 5 Ss, remember that wine tasting is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. The act of savoring is your reward for taking the time to observe, swirl, smell, and taste with care. It's a celebration of everything that makes wine special: the craftsmanship, the culture, and the simple joy of discovery. In the next part of the course, we'll take a closer look at how wine's color can reveal more about its age, grape variety, and production methods. But for now, take a moment to savor the wine in your glass. Reflect on its finish, enjoy its presence, and celebrate the unique experience it offers. Cheers to savoring not just wine, but the journey it takes you on.